For the custard, heat milk and cream over medium heat. Combine egg yolk, sugar, and flour. Whisk until light and fluffy. Whisk around 1/4 cup of the hot cream mixture to the egg yolk until incorporated. Then pour back to the remaining hot cream mixture, then cook until thickened, whisking constantly. Remove from heat, then add butter and vanilla. Transfer in another bowl. Cover with plastic wrap, pressing the plastic against the surface to prevent a skin from forming. Egg whites, sugar, and cream of tartar for the meringue. Combine flour and salt, lemon extract and orange juice, oil and egg yolk. Beat egg yolk and oil until combined, then add the orange juice and the lemon extract. Stir in the flour. Mix until free of lumps, then set aside. Beat egg whites and cream of tartar. Gradually add sugar. Beat until soft to firm peaks. Fold in some meringue into the yolk mixture just to make the butter lighter so we can easily mix the remaining meringue. Then add the rest of the meringue. Then mix by using folding method. Ganito yung folding method. You cut sa center, then you fold sa side ng bowl, then repeat lang. Pour into the paper-lined baking pan. Then spread evenly. Tap for a few times to remove the unnecessary bubbles. Then bake in a preheated oven until done. Set aside and cool completely. For the buttercream, cream butter and confectioner sugar, add vanilla and milk. Then continue mixing until fully blended. For the gelatin topping, combine all the ingredients, whisk until well blended, then place in a double boiler and cook until the sugar and gelatin dissolves. Cool slightly before pouring over crema de fruta. Time to assemble. Sponge cake. Buttercream. Not too much. Custard. Then fruit cocktail. Topped with another layer of sponge cake, buttercream, custard, fruit cocktail, and cherries. You can use other fruits for the toppings if you want. Then pour some gelatin mixture. Place in the fridge for a few minutes, then add more gelatin. Chill for a few hours until it sets.